What's up, everybody? We are back at it for another weekend. We are here in Ionia, Michigan for another weekend of Monster Truck Throwdown. We have two shows going on this weekend. Tonight's Friday night. Tomorrow we have Saturday night. We're starting out another muddy mess. We can't get away from the rain, the mud, just like we were last weekend. So we're going to be having an abbreviated show tonight. So I'm going to be taking back and crewing for Too Tall, watching him slip and slide all around in the mud, giving the fans a show, see what they came here for. And it's going to be fun. It's car crashing. It's a fairground show, so we got all the nice fairground food coming on. I got the Ferris wheels in the background. It's going to be a good time, so check it out. What's up, guys? We're back at it for another day here in Ionia, Michigan for Monster Truck Throwdown. Spent many hours last night washing the old Velociraptor behind us. We got it 90% clean. We ran out of daylight, so we do the best we could with a little floodlight action. So we're back at it. We're excited. Should be a sold out crowd tonight, and we're really looking forward to it. that's a wrap here in Ionia, Michigan for Monster Truck Throwdown. It was a great second event here. I ended up taking the racing win, the overall win. Tall and Velociraptor, he ended up taking the best trick win. And he ended up having a little bit of motor issues after that, so he didn't make racing. Couldn't get no content of that because we were rushing in between our rounds and everything, just trying to get the truck back together. So we ended up getting that fixed and right, and he made it out there for freestyle, and he laid down a killer freestyle. He should have got the freestyle win in my opinion, but Darren Bezel, man, he sealed the deal again. They're both great drivers, fun times. So we're gonna load up, get out of here, and then we are going to be heading to Las Vegas, Nevada for some Monster Jam action. Hope to see you there.